Down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Yes. Hello everyone, I'm Dissolver49.
And I'm ShadowTales58. And we're gonna die. Or at least I am when it comes to the QTE. Because for any of you who don't know, I suck at QTE. Yay!
You gotta use your Ada powers.
Well, maybe not the ones as much as in this game, but I haven't played Ada's story that much, so I might die a couple times. But oh well.
Actually, you might need to reinvite me. I didn't change the language. Han, we'll be back. Reinvite me.
Oh, you didn't?
Nope.
Wait, did I?
Nope. Okay, and we're back.
Let me pick up my controller.
It is highly necessary for us to change the language in every chapter.
Yes!
Anyway, now we fast forward all the way to China.
Well, at least I can understand German a bit more than Spanish, I guess. So someone said that I'm not the magic man anymore, so you're able to open doors? Are there any more doors to run into? At least in this chapter.
Well, I know we're gonna go into the market that Chris went into. I wonder if I can slide down. Slide. We have to hurry up and get to the children's playground.
You were saying?
Oh, hello.
Well, it's one thing about Ada. I got something to stare at. Anyway,
Please tell me I can slide down. Please tell me I can slide down. Please tell me I can slide down. No!
Wait, can you go on the panda?
No.
Or is Chris the only one that's manly enough?
Chris is the only one that's manly enough.
Mm.
Apparently Ada's manly enough to go on the swing too. No, I just hop over it.
Well, then you're still just a figment of my imagination and you don't exist. Anyway. What?
What?
Oh, wait, no. Oh, never mind.
Use your Ada powers.
Ah!
That actually went rather well. Oh yeah, I remember when I was here one time, they were standing on top of each other.
Like that? Oh, that failed.
No, I mean, yeah, they do that, but it was a bit differently. They were just standing on top of each other doing nothing.
Yeah, I still only have my... Okay, good. I don't have... Because I was messing around with the Leon campaign the other day, just randomly online.
Yeah.
That was like, oh wait, hang on. Hope I just didn't screw over the Let's Survive.
Oh, beautiful.
Beauteous.
Oh yeah, any extra little bits of health that we can get? Oh yeah, we are in no hope, right? Let me check. Okay, I can't select my skills. We're in no hope.
Yeah, let me just be double sure. Nope, can't stop my skills.
He's not dead?
He's not dead. What are you doing?
Yeah, we gotta be careful because I still have no health. I mean, yeah, no health. I mean, I have grenades at least.
I still have 2 red herbs and no green herbs.
Oh yeah, it's been that way for a while for you.
Yep. And so pretty much I don't have any healing either. And yeah, our health does refill apparently for whenever we start a new chapter. So that's something.
He's all you. Apparently he's on. Apparently he's on me.
Oh yeah, there's an emblem right here. Shoot it.
You're pointing at it?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's an emblem I didn't get. Awesome.
Yeah, that one was actually, well, maybe not hard to... Because of the lighting, it was slightly hard to, you know, it's kind of easy to miss. Or at least for someone like me.
No, what? Oh, I didn't mean that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Rage. Rage. Rage.
Rager. No. Shotgun. Which is out of ammo.
Oh, 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 oh! 5 blocks. That did 5 blocks.
Okay, don't even try to counter them. This is not mercenaries.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get 5 seconds for that. Or 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Apparently you're still my magic man.
You can't open the door.
I can't open the door.
He was lying!
Nice slide.
Nice. Wait, were we already here? Why is this?
You need some green herbs, bro.
Really?
Yeah, that's right. No stamina left, and I can still stop.
Uh-oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. That's not what I'm oh-knowing about. What I'm oh-knowing about is right behind us.
What's behind us?
Wait, did it just ban it? We can't go back?
Nope. No backtracking, because, you know, backtracking is the root of all evil.
Apparently.
Get on the ground.
Wow, I knocked him down. Then you punched him, or that's what it looked like.
Oh man, we are. Oh, whoa, Chrysalis, Chrysalis.
What? Running? Oh shit.
Well, I'm rolling. I'm literally rolling away.
Oh, this friggin' guy. With the LMG.
Okay, I got the LMG. Never mind.
Trying to get over here. Thank you.
Thank you, because 2 of them is a no. Oh no.
Oh no! I was trying to get over there. The LMG's like,
Please tell me we didn't hook shot to where I think we just hook shotted.
Yeah. But yeah, the LMG guy was stun locking me. Like Ada got up, fell, got up again.
Anyway, everyone that's watching, I hope you're gonna enjoy this as much as I am, as much as we're not, as much as
My least favorite enemy in every Resident Evil game ever since Resident Evil 4. The chainsaw.
And Ada's smiling about it. A chainsaw guy a chainsaw guy with heels. God, I'm running with you, aren't I? Or maybe you could use your Ada powers, and I'm just gonna float above your head like Tails does in Sonic Sword Episode 2.
Or in reverse. No, you're running with me.
Run.
Kettensäge. Huh? Wie elegant.
How elegant. And there you are.
Teleporting. Teleporting for the win.
I missed breakout.
Oh, I'm trying to cheer you on. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Do you see where I am? I'm already over there. Alright, I'll just move on ahead.
Am I gonna get another QTE?
Come on, Matt. Come on, man. Come on, Magic Man. You can do it.
Ada's just gonna do it by herself, and for Jake.
And Chainsaw Guy just vanishes. Look, not even look. See, gone. Yep, Chainsaw Guy gave up that easily.
Yeah. We're dead.
Wait.
I have no idea what you just said.
Wait. Well, he said halt for wait. Wait, let me say thank you. Did you say no?
Maybe.
She said not really. Anyway, let's go. I wonder how German Leon's gonna sound. I mean, actually, I think we already have an idea of that. I'm still trying to quick turn. I'm thinking I'm in Mercenaries.
Yeah. zombies. Should we try to kill some from up here?
About that.
Yeah. Well, at least this will help with the RE.net event.
Oh god, surrounded by...
You're dead.
Well, that didn't take long.
And Capcom rips off of themselves. Just not as good. Nice!
Let's all together now. Moving on.
And of course, okay, let's try to take out some of the zombies from up there.
Just constant headshots.
Yeah. I just hear you very good. Or at least that's what it sounds like to me.
Well, at least I have a block of health and I can not sound tired.
Oh, I wonder if I put I didn't put my notification on busy.
Okay.
Ah!
I'm just gonna waltz my way over here.
I'm not supposed to be missing. How'd you get up there? Oh.
Whoa, that zombie is crawling fast. Now it's crawling slow.
Oh, okay, yeah. We get near you.
Don't dodge me.
Oh, duh.
Use your Ada powers and destroy them. Or
Nice.
I can get a critical headshot.
Wait, I have an idea for that little crowd over there. God, we sound like a twisted married couple.
A twisted married couple?
Yes. I don't know what they are so attracted to, but they love that stand.
Let's see. Grenade, shotgun ammo. How many Oh, okay, I have 2. That's not
Good.
I'll try not to have the grenade bounce on you like it did in chapter 1.
Alright, well, now that we know... Wait, I guess we can't get back up there, can we? Can we? Oh, wait. Now, I don't think we can jump
Green
over
herb, green herb.
Where?
Over there.
Ah! No. Where are you?
Don't heal me. Or actually, no, you have to heal yourself anyway, so do it. Dude, I shot you in the head. Get stunned.
Alright.
Then again, zombies hardly get stunned anyway.
No, but is there a possible way for us to get back up there?
Oh, what's on the floor? Or what was on the floor?
Well, wait.
Yes?
Aha!
What?
I know where that came from.
He fell off the plane.
That's the one that
The jerk that started this whole thing, or helped started this whole thing. Anyway, please pick up the key so that we can die.
That's the one that Sir Blondie. Wait, no. What jerk are you talking about? Oh boy!
And of course, the key gets stuck.
On the chainsaw.
How convenient.
So, Mike, what jerk are you talking about?
Man sollte sich nichts nehmen, was einem nicht gehört.
I don't even know anymore. Though, if the chainsaw does get stunned, we are meleeing that sucker.
He got hopped.
Yeah, I got feet. Look,
Oh,
how
crap.
great some zombies are getting up.
Some?
What, a lot are getting up? Oh. Oh, that thing's moving fast.
Ooh. God, that thing's faster too. Okay, shotgun ammo, not much.
See ya, Chainsaw. I'm not beat. Oh boy. Oh boy. Stop moving.
Be smart and target it. So now we can see it a bit better. Oh god, 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 god.
Run, Mike. Run, Mike.
These zombies are not helping.
Oh, I just lost 2 blocks from that zombie just touching me.
I'll tell you right now, you're gonna lose a bit more than 2 blocks when you get hit by that thing. Oh, jumping! Okay, he was about to jump attack.
Oh, bless this shotgun.
Which I am slowly but surely finding ammo for. Oh my god, Mike. Oh crap!
Oh god. Die, 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 die.
Oh come on, that's cheap! That's cheap!
Oh my god! Oh, that was you. What?
I got up! So, zombie grabs me, I get up. As soon as I get up, the zombie grabs me again. As soon as I get up, zombie grabs me again. Die.
Cha-ching.
Shit!
Man sollte sich nichts nehmen, was einem nicht gehört.
Oh, that was so cheap. I'm more concerned about the zombies than the stupid chainsaw. I'm gonna say, where's that? They're crawling zombies.
Well, I got the chainsaw at a good spot.
Oh, shit.
Well, they literally just touched me.
Damn!
Fuck, the zombies weren't enough. The zombies weren't enough. No, you gotta add salt to the more salt to the wound. Thank you, Phil.
Okay, strategy.
Man sollte sich nichts nehmen, was einem nicht gehört.
Okay, screw that. I'm gonna use a grenade on the stupid zombies.
Wanna know my strategy? Table.
Okay, that gets the job done. Okay, that killed a good number.
You know, you do get my back. I got this guy.
Alright. Besides, your pistol is stronger than my machine pistol anyway. You probably have more ammunition than I do.
Oh yeah, 129 bullets.
How much shotgun ammo you got?
About 32 and 36 sniper.
Oh, on him with the sniper bullet.
Oh wow. No, because I'd use the quick shot trick with the shotgun. Oh, and zombie, get out of here! Get down.
Let's get out of here.
I think you're gonna like how I took him out on video though, because I know you were keeping your eye on the zombies from getting us.
Oh yeah. Now how is this gonna work? Ah, sugar honey iced tea. Oh, Christ on a bike! You don't fly with me? Oh no, 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 agent! I like how I'm there, just like, oh. Am I walking forward?
Could that death scene be any longer?
Nope.
Sonic. Next.
So
Not
we're
even
just
gonna
start,
say- not even gonna
start
say-
to name the characters now?
Du bist um die halbe Welt gereist, um Spielchen zu spielen.
So wait, when I hookshot it, did it show Ada on your screen or no?
I'm just don't.
Well, I ducked that.
Oh wait. Metal. Oh crap. This Cloverfield camera aim is not helping. Oh.
Duck! Never mind.
No, seriously, this Cloverfield camera.
Good luck.
Psh, I rolled under him. I gotta admit, this is actually kind of thrilling.
Especially for me being the only power weapon I have is a sniper. Oh god.
Oh, okay, now we're at a much better spot.
And if I die the QTEs, forgive me.
Believe me, I don't blame you at all. Oh, shotgun ammo.
Alright. Oh, shoot. Okay, shotgun ammo, I have none. Whoa.
Was there like a dodge button for that or something?
I really can't tell you if there was. He's going after you.
Come on, buddy. Come on. You know you want this.
X! I think it's A! And now RT? Whew! I died so many times there on my first ah!
Yeah, it spawned me right in front of this stupid gate.
No, no, no! Oh my god!
Oh my god! I thought that was a death scene. I thought we were dead. Holy crap! Okay, I wonder how many people are gonna freak out at that one. I thought we died.
In the words of Tails,
Wow.
I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put that clip there.
put the German one,
Okay.
because that's the best one.
Well, at least I have a block.
Where are you?
Dying.
Oh. Oh my god. I went to go save you. I pressed RB. I saw Ada about to pick you up and then changed on there. Ah!
No, seriously, dude, I really thought we were dead. I know you thought we were dead.
Yeah.
Leon! Leon!
Ethan, what are you doing?
You blind.
Oh!
You're a cheating bastard.
He's like, yeah. Oh.
Sorry, sorry, I'm
so part of this chapter is over.
Sorry, I'm still slightly unamused at what Leon did to me. What he didn't do for me. Anyway, wait. Scout, what was that word? Scavenge? Look around.
Well, that's why Leon is called the blonde-haired bastard. Oh yeah, and there's emblem right here.
Yeah, I wait, where?
Use your sniper and aim right where I'm standing, and you should see it. You got it?
That's not the sniper, Mike. Yeah, because I missed that other emblem on the stupid bus because of the stupid Cloverfield. Wait, don't touch the door. Because the
well, the good thing is that in this game, as soon as you get an emblem, it automatically saves. So once you get the emblem, then you can just end the game right there. And
fan service.
Anyway, door.
But yeah, the most stressful part of this chapter is over. And for me, the most stressful part of Ada's campaign is over.
I'm still Ada's bitch. I can't move on!
No, I told you to fall back.
Oh, okay.
Now, maybe we should only do, switch languages for one campaign? I don't know. Speaking of sniper, yeah, that's like the only gun I've been using. Besides the machine pistol.
You have the volume up so you can hear it?
Yeah, I can hear it. And of course...
In your face.
Oh. And everything is recording right? Where we still have our voices in there, our audio.
Yep.
Alright,
Skype
I don't want a repeat of chapter, what was it, 3-2? In RE5?
Yeah. Where you were talking to yourself.
Yeah.
But I think it turned out for the better, because some funny stuff actually happened since we had to redo that.
Yeah.
Because we did really good, only to do really terrible afterwards.
Yeah, that's the way of the world. A bitch. Yeah, but we're gonna find a lot of sniper ammo here.
Oh, the more the merrier.
So, and I mean a lot of ammo.
I'm gonna pistol this. That's true survival.
Have fun with that. I completely agree with you, Ada.
I do believe Leon said the same thing.
I agree with both of them. And yeah, I think he did too. So many boxes.
Wait. Oh, I want to do it.
Ammo. Alright, sniping time. Where is this friggin' guy? Where's Jake getting his head cut off? And he's like, okay, I'm good. Like, hey, what's going on, guy? Good.
I'm missing!
Got him in the head. Huh?
Yep, that was me.
Is that you?
That was me.
Yeah, I was about to say that, like, yo, when the AIs get smart.
I think a few more hits and we'll actually get this.
Yeah. Where is he? Oh.
Get this stupid punk that with the long arms. I'm missing!
He's kind of like, he's at a bad spot right now.
Are we almost done with this chapter?
We might be. I think this is a, wait. Are we? Oh, got him.
I keep forgetting what exactly we do in chapter 3.
Shrimp.
Actually,
I could go for some shrimp right about now.
The soup I could. Oh yeah, no, because Phil and I were supposed to record hours ago, but I was busy cooking dinner for everyone in the house. I made everyone some delicious shrimp soup.
Ooh.
No, because my mom tried some of my sister's soup and she was like, Mike, you make soup better than I do. I'm like, I do.
You know, today for dinner I had some chicken cutlets.
Oh, those really awesome chicken cutlets. Was it macaroni day?
Yeah, my mother's famous chicken cutlets.
Yeah, you call it that legendary day.
No, my father does.
Okay, well, I heard it from you first. Oh wait, no, we're not done. We're not done.
Sniping.
Oh wait, look! We're standing on nothing. Look, standing right here. Look, you're standing on nothing. We're floating.
Okay, now the camera is really pushed back. Oh shit! So, being that nobody was like, you know, being that nobody told us which campaign to do next, probably gonna do Chris's next. So, just a heads up.
Oh. I got a message on Skype.
Oh, well, tell that guy to F off.
Hey, but he's a good dude.
I don't care. Tell him to F off.
Sherry's gonna get hit.
And... wait, come on. Bonk. Bonk. Bonk! And Jake gets nailed.
Don't worry, I got that.
I love how Sherry stood there. He's like, okay.
Yeah, because when we were there, we both got nailed by that stupid thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and I've seen the death scene, if you don't help Sherry, well, you don't see what happens, but you know what happens.
Diese Dinger sind ziemlich zäh.
And Sherry is, just getting a haircut right now.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I was typing a message telling them to just hold up.
Put your status on Do Not Disturb. Holy sh...
No! Let go of Jake. Let go of spoiler, of Jake's spoiler. Yeah, there we go.
And Ada's just like,
Uh-oh. Controller fell. Controller fell.
Ich glaube, es reicht.
Don't worry, I have to do everything. Now you would think Bat would kill it.
Hoffentlich war's das jetzt.
Hope that's all she wrote.
Yeah, you're...
Nämlich ganz
I'm
schön.
sorry, spoiler. Ada, you're a giant jinx.
Whoa. Oh, wait. Oh my god, I'm lost. Oh, okay, we're just supposed to wait.
Oh dear.
First boat race into the Titanic. I thought that was a pretty funny line.
Zeit für die nächste Rettungsaktion.
You handle this, I'm just gonna watch.
Kleine Sherry. Die Monster lieben es, dich zu jagen.
Where's the A button? Okay.
Oh no, you should have just let Sherry get... I'm sorry. I just want to see what will happen.
You're an incredibly rude person for that. She's like what, 12? Actually, she's 26. She's 6 years older than Jake.
Oh wow.
And speaking of Chris...
Oh no, we're not done, definitely. Well, everyone's near each other.
Ganz wie damals in Rock.
Well, except for Leon, he's like in West... He's in West Bubble right now.
Yep.
Bis später, ihr zwei.
You know, what the hell is he doing? I forget. Oh, I think he's, I forget. Was this before? Never mind. Spoilers. For people who haven't seen this game yet.
No, I think that's right before they go to see Leon. Or actually, or is it after? No, it's after they see Leon, because it's...
Well, then again, after crashing in a plane, I'm pretty sure that Leon was knocked out for a bit.
Macht Reisen Spaß.
Oh boy, what's gonna happen next? I actually forget what's gonna happen next.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, boat ride.
Like I said, I've only done Ada's campaign twice. Once on normal, and then once on professional mode to get that professional
Well,
mode achievement. I think this is at the end of the chapter. Yeah.
oh snap, there are 33 minutes. No, well, I can actually make this one video.
Do you want to record more?
Yeah, definitely. Let's just end the game so that we can switch to the language. Anyway, flip your 2.5 times size of a coin, and see which one we're gonna pick between Italian and French.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Alright guys, we'll be seeing you on chapter 4. As always, I'm Shallowtails58.
I'm Disano59, and we are going to die.
And hope you enjoyed the video.
Peace out.
Wow, das war wow.